it's Gina from WTI. Do you struggle with storage space like I do? Something that is making my life so much more organized are these amazing collapsible storage bins from Pinkpum. I'm using it in what I would term my linen slash catch-all closet. You can see how messy it was to begin with, but now I have things so nice and neat and organized, and that makes me really happy. I got the 4-pack in white, and when I stack them all together, they fit perfectly in this small area in the bottom of my closet. These come together so simply. You just clip them into place. They're very self-explanatory to put together. One thing I really like about them though is because they are stackable, they also slide. So if I need to get to something on the bottom bin and it's way in the back, instead of having to dig through, I can just slide the top ones kind of in the back, and then I can easily get to it. They're made of durable materials, and what I like about them is they have a slight flex to them. The plastic isn't brittle and it's not going to break easily, so because of that flex, I know that I can kind of move it around a bit and give it a little bit of abuse, and it's still going to hold up well. I really just love having these. They're so easy to use. They're stackable, collapsible, and they fit perfectly inside the space that I needed them for, and that just couldn't be any better for me, and that's my point of view.